Mr. Saisaman, Ministers of Environment, Cambodia. Excellent Ministers of the PEMSEA country partners. And the chairs of the EAS Partnership Council, ladies and gentlemen.
Với rất vinh dự được đại diện cho chính phủ Việt Nam với tư cách là trưởng đoàn Việt Nam tham dự Đại hội Biển Đông Á năm 2021 và diễn đàn bộ trưởng lần thứ 7 được tổ chức tại tỉnh Sihanouk, Vương quốc Campuchia.
I am honored to represent the government of Vietnam as head of the Vietnamese delegation to attend the 2021 East Asian Seas Congress and the Seventh Ministerial Forum to be held from December 1 to 2nd, 2021 in Preah, Sihanouk Province, Kingdom of Cambodia. Vietnam has become a member of PEMSEA since 2003, starting with the signing of Preah Declaration and its commitment to implement the strategies for sustainable development of the East Asian Seas. Since then, Vietnam has made many efforts in promoting the implementation of integrated coastal zone management, working together with other countries in the East Asian Seas. With the support of the international organization, especially PEMSEA, Vietnam has successfully implemented SDS-SEA, especially replications of ICZM in coastal province, promulgate and implement the strategy for integrated coastal zone management to 2020 with the visions to 2030, promulgate the law on marine and island resources and environment, develop and publish the national report on the state oceans and coast 2018, Blue Economic Growth National Report on the state of the sea and island for the period of 2016 to 2020, reports on the current states of the provincial, and establish national and local multi-sectoral coordination mechanisms in implementation of coastal and marine economic development, integrating content on coastal and marine management. Currently, in order to strengthen the protection of marine coastal resources, the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment is implementing the formulation of National Marine Spatial Plan and a Master Plan for Sustainable Exploitation and Use of Coastal Resource based on the economic ecosystem approach. Develop strategies for sustainable exploitation and use of natural resources and environmental protection of seas and islands. Sir, Madam, distinguished guests, the 8th Conference of the 12th Party Central Committee issues Resolution number 36, dated October, on the strategies for sustainable development of Vietnam marine economy to 2030 with a vision to 2045. Accordingly, sustainable development of the marine economy on the basis of green growth, conservation, and this is a demonstration of Vietnam's commitment to the sustainable development of the UN agenda and international commitments, such as the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change and the post-2020 Global Biodiversity Framework and the other relevant commitments. We wish to cooperate with all countries in the world and other partners, act together and share best practice and experience toward common goal of sustainable development in the region of East Asian Sea. We pledge to continue to support and promote the implementation of SDS-SEA in Vietnam. On behalf of the Vietnamese delegation, I would like to thank the government of Kingdom of Cambodia and PEMSEA for successfully organizing the 2021 East Asia Sea Congress. Wishing you health and great success. Thank you.